A certain sum of money is split among three people. The first gets 1/3 of the money, the second gets 1/4 of what is left, and the third gets the rest, which is 360. How much money was there to start? The question they ask, how much money was there to start? We'll call that X. So X will be the starting amount of money. So then we look at how it gets split. So if we look at what the first person get, the first person's share. The first person gets 1/3 of the money. So this person gets 1/3 times X. Let's look at how much is left after the first person takes his or her share. So left after the first person, we had X was the starting amount of money, and that person subtracted out his or her share. So we're left with 2/3 X is how much is left over after the first person is done. Then we look at how much the second person gets. So the second person's share is 1/4 of what is left. So this person gets 1/4 of how much is left, and we just found that to be 2/3 X. So if we reduce this, this person gets 1/6 X. Let's look at how much is left after the second person. So previously we had remaining 2/3 X, that's how much was left after the first person, and then the second person got their share. So we're going to take 2/3 X minus 1/6 X. We could get a common denominator here, or plug this in your calculator, and we're going to get 1/2 X. That's how much is left after the second person. Now if we look at how much the third person gets the rest. Well, this is the rest. So that means the third person's share is what we have left, which is 1/2 X. And we're told that is equal to 360. So this is equal to $360. And now we finally have our equation. We want to solve this for X. We can do that by multiplying both sides by 2 to get rid of our fraction here. So on the left-hand side, they're going to cancel out, leaving us just X. On the right, we multiply these and get 720.